Woo! New plane. All of this has got to be moved and organized so that we can fit it in here. All right, so we got the plane here. We need to rearrange over here to get it kind of crammed in there so that we can kind of work on both of them and get the parts that we need off of that one back onto this plane. So we need to move a lot of stuff. All of this has got to be moved and organized so that we can fit it in here. Kind of the game plan. We're gonna hook a chain hoist to the rafters, hoist it off the trailer, pull the trailer out, and then lower it down on some tires for now. If you've been enjoying the videos, be sure to subscribe below and drop us a like for new videos coming each week. Now that we have everything cleared out, we're just moving the brown 150 to the far corner. This is just making some room for us. The new 150 is going to sit right beside it, right back in there. We just wanted some room to where we could kind of work on both planes at the same time. The wings that we're moving here, these are actually the original wings from the new 150, which is nice. The wing cradle I just brought in, I built it myself. There's actually a video on our channel, I'll link it up above. They need a little bit of work done to them. The carpet's kind of stretching out on them, so I'm going to tighten it up just a little bit and it should just work fine. So you saw us take the motor off last video. You should see some videos coming out pretty soon about us tearing into this and seeing what we have. We're pretty excited to get it apart and see what we got for internals inside. We were really trying to get a nice little back workout in. You know the old saying, lift with your back, not your legs. Don't want to hurt your legs.
What do you think? New plane?
I think it'll do. All right, so we got the plane kind of backed up. We got to kind of figure out how we're going to get it off here. We're pretty sure that we can lift it with three of us. So what we're going to do is kind of lay out the tires to where we can lift it up, move it to the next set, lift it up, move it to the next, get it off the trailer, and then kind of shimmy it back into the spot. We're going to put it in here, kind of by the plane there, between the car and the plane, and then we'll build a dolly for it, and that'll be a new video coming out soon. But we're going to figure out how we're going to do this. Can you lift it up by yourself? Try it. Let's just see if we can get off the ground. We'll both be okay with that though, for sure.
You say, don't let anybody ever put anything in your shop until it's freaking finished. You know what?
That's my dad joking around. We're definitely thankful that we can work out of his nice big new shop. So the chain hoist method, we were going to do that, but it just seemed like with how light it is, since there's nothing really on it, it would probably be easier just for us to lift it off. In retrospect, probably would have been easier to do the chain hoist, but we got it this way and it wasn't too bad.
There you go, right there.
Now that it's on the ground, what we did was we took a floor jack, put 2 pieces of foam on top of it, and then just put it right underneath the engine mount, kind of jacked it up a little bit, and just rolled it all the way back in right next to that other plane. Out of all the things we did, this is by far the easiest one. It works surprisingly well. If you have to move a plane like this, I'd recommend doing it like that. It worked good. If you haven't subscribed, now's a good time. If you want to check out more of our videos, check this one out.